Welcome to another mistakes video. This week we're going to tackle weakness out of the hole, so stick around. Some people on the squat find that they're really weak out of the hole being the bottom portion of the squat. And a lot of this happens because people are scared to hit the bottom of the squat. They're scared they're not gonna come back up in the squat. So my number one piece of advice here is to take some weight off of the bar and practicing hitting that stretch reflex at the bottom of the squat. That stretch reflex is basically where you hit the bottom of the squat and it propels you back upwards. That would be one of the biggest pieces of advice I'd give on this mistake, is that you're just loading up too heavy and you don't have any speed when you hit the bottom of your squat. And that speed hitting the bottom of the squat is actually a good thing because it's going to help you stand back up. Now if you continue to struggle with weakness out of the hole, one great way to practice generating power at your weakest spot is by doing pause squats or tempo squats. In a pause squat, that's going to be where you come to the bottom of the squat and you stop. You don't move at all, and you're going to stay put there for 1 to 2 seconds, a 1 to 2 count, and then drive straight back up. So there should be no shifting in this, but basically what we're doing is we're training your weakest point of motion in the squat, and we're getting stronger at it. By getting stronger at your weakest part of your squat, you're just gonna make your whole squat better. Another variation is the tempo squat, where you're lowering at a 2 to 3 count negative and then driving straight back up out of the hole to, again, build up your weakest point in your squat and make your entire squat stronger. That's this mistakes video and how you would fix that weakness out of the hole. Again, you can focus on tempo squats, pause squats, but most importantly, I would unload the bar with a little bit less weight and focus on your speed in the squat and feeling that stretch reflex. You should be experiencing that stretch reflex each time at the bottom of the squat. That's gonna make you better at squatting. Like the page, subscribe for more. That's our squat video for the week.
That's our squat video for the week.
My wife prompted that one. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe. You know what to do. Smash it. Smash it. Come on, smash it.